Hi everyone, I am Indumathi. Today I am going to make green moong dal Bajra sweet wheel. Ingredients for making green moong dal sweet wheels: moong dal, groundnut, jaggery, Bajra and coconut. Boil the moong dal 4 to 5 whistles. Second step is put the jaggery and add the half glass water and mix well. Now heat the bajra flour. Now mix the green moong dal with the bajra flour. Add the 2 cup of jaggery and mix it well. Mix it well and add the small pieces of groundnut. Little cardamom powder if you want. Amount of cardamom powder if you want. Pour 4-5 glasses of water and boil it well. Some oil or ghee in your palm and take a mixer in your palm and roll it and make it wheel shape like this. Steamed in the idli pot for 20 minutes. Put it in a plate. And decorate coconut and serve it. Taste it.